Welcome to our moon meditation. Allow yourself to begin to relax into a comfortable position. This could be seated or lying down. Imagine yourself by the sea, gazing up into a dark blue velvet night sky. The moon is shining a shaft of silvery light onto the water. The dark blue of the sea. See the light sparkling on the surface. The water is calm. And you see this shining light from the moon creating a pathway for you. As you gaze into this light, imagine yourself being covered in this light. The shaft of light flowing towards you, showering you with silvery stars. Feel a sparkling energy rush through your body, created by the moonlight. A lightness, a tingling sensation. Gazing into the surface of the moon, you notice the texture, the different shades of grey and white. And you feel yourself floating up towards the moon. The magnetic pull of the moon allowing you to float into the glittering, shimmering moonlight. You can feel the energy drawing you up, allowing your whole body to be bathed in the moonbeams and absorbing the energy from the light. Allow this light to bathe your body, renewing, energizing, and healing you. Allowing the moonbeams to wash away any worries, any blockages, anything that you no longer need to hold on to. Allowing the mind to clear and cleanse. And as the mind clears, becomes clear to you your intentions, how to go forward without fear. Feel now the centre of your chest, your heart centre, opening out, allowing you to receive the healing, courage and strength. And now in the sky you see the moon, and it begins to darken as a cloud moves across. And you feel yourself sinking back down to softly land on the ground. dark blue of the sky deepens and a warm breeze continues to draw the clouds across the night sky. You hear the gentle waves from the ocean, still lit by the light of the moon. You hear the shingle across the seashore being moved, and you find yourself in tune with the waves. As the waves draw in and out, so does your breath, in and out, with the pace of the waves, in a deep, even rhythm. You feel your entire body beginning to breathe and expand with each inhale, and soften and relax with each exhale. You find yourself in this moment of stillness. Stay in this moment as long as you need to. And when you're ready, begin to drift back from the seashore, back from the moon, finding your comfortable position your body sunk into, the weight of your limbs. And when you're ready to begin to move slowly to wake yourself. Thank you for joining me on this moon meditation. Namaste.